COVID-19 and the pandemic has turned just about every industry upside down. We've seen increased prices and empty shelves, but for the hospital in Andrews, it's a bigger problem. The strain of the pandemic has put a damper on one of their important projects. Rachel Robinson tells you how it's putting the brakes on their memory care unit.
As we know, the recent surge in the past couple of months has affected hospitals when it comes to staffing and caring for more patients. But for Permian Regional Medical Center, the virus has delayed the construction of a new building that was designed for dementia and Alzheimer's patients. In Andrews right now, if you have a loved one that has dementia or Alzheimer's, there isn't a place in town that offers specialized care.
They're having to get put into these specialized memory care units, and the closest ones are in Midland, Brownwood, Lubbock areas. So it's just kind of a stretch on the family to have to place their loved one in these memory care units so far away from homes.
A service Permian Regional Medical Center was trying to bring to Andrews.
And I've had numerous people come up to me and say they just can't wait for the memory care unit to open so they can either move their mother here, or there's even some that are taking care of their mothers at home. These units are just designed specifically to keep the individuals more oriented and to make them feel like they're at home.
The memory care unit was supposed to have its groundbreaking on October 1st, but that didn't happen because of, well, COVID.
There's two parts of it that have really been a challenge, I think, for the construction of any projects. One is the cost of materials, and for construction, that does not bode well for you to meet budget. But also there's a lack of workforce. So they're seeing a reduction in the workforce, mainly because individuals are either not returning back to work from COVID, or they're just being able to demand a very high price.
The high construction prices delayed the project because the hospital budgeted $8 million, and they want to stick to that.
We hate that COVID has put a damper on the project as a whole. And I know we've even heard it from the community members. They hate that it's being held back, but being fiscally responsible, we have to do what's in the best interest of the community and our taxpayers.
The groundbreaking for the Memory Care Center is scheduled for January 1st, 2022, which puts the project back about 3 months. The entirety of the building is expected to be complete at the beginning of 2023.